Hey there, parents! Are you tired of the constant struggle to get your kids to eat healthy? Welcome to a world where nutritious and delicious meet. We're about to dive into some creative recipes that are not only wholesome but are also guaranteed to make your little one's taste buds dance with joy. Get ready to transform ordinary meals into extraordinary ones. In this video, we'll share some amazing recipes that are not only good for your children, but also taste amazing. Say goodbye to those evening battles at the dinner table. First up, we have our rainbow veggie wraps. This vibrant, color-packed dish is as nourishing as it is appealing to the eye. Let's get started. We'll begin with an array of fresh veggies. Think red bell peppers, purple cabbage, yellow squash, and leafy greens. The more colors, the better, as each color represents a different set of nutrients. Now, if your child isn't a fan of certain vegetables, feel free to substitute with their favorites. The goal is to make this a fun and enjoyable experience for them. Next, we'll take a whole wheat tortilla and spread a layer of hummus or any other preferred spread. This will not only add flavor but also act as a glue to hold our veggies in place. Now we start to build our rainbow. Lay out the veggies in rows across the tortilla, following the colors of the rainbow. This is where your kids can get involved, arranging the veggies and creating their own edible artwork. Once you've got your rainbow in place, roll up the wrap tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. And voila! You have a vibrant, nutritious and delicious rainbow veggie wrap. Packed with colorful veggies, these wraps are not only visually appealing but also a great way to introduce different vegetables to your kids. And remember, the fun lies in the process, so don't shy away from letting your little ones get their hands dirty. It's all part of the journey towards healthy eating. Enjoy! Scene script. Next we have our cheesy quinoa bites. These little treats are a powerhouse of nutrition and taste. Start by cooking quinoa. Remember, it's a fantastic source of protein and fiber. Once the quinoa is ready, mix it with some grated cheese, eggs, and a dash of your favorite herbs. Spoon this mixture into a mini muffin tray and pop it into the oven. The result? Crispy, cheesy, and hearty bites that are sure to be a hit with your kids. But what makes these bites truly special is their nutritional profile. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's packed with fiber, iron, and magnesium. Pair that with the calcium from the cheese and you've got a snack that's as good for the body as it is for the taste buds. These bite-sized delights are not only loaded with protein but also irresistibly cheesy. Last but not least, we'll share a recipe for our banana and oat pancakes. Let's dive into this delectable adventure. We'll start with 2 ripe bananas, mash them up until they're nice and smooth. Next, we add in 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. This not only gives our pancakes a hearty texture but also a boost of fiber that keeps those little tummies full until lunchtime. Now we stir in 2 eggs to hold everything together. If you're vegan or allergic, fret not. You can replace this with flax or chia seeds soaked in water. We'll then sweeten things up with a tablespoon of honey, though you could use maple syrup or agave nectar if you prefer. The secret to fluffy pancakes lies in the baking powder. We'll need 1 teaspoon. Mix our batter until it's well combined, but remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Let's preheat our pan over medium heat and grease it with a bit of coconut oil or butter. Scoop a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake and cook until bubbles form on top. Then flip it over and cook for another minute or 2 until golden brown. Repeat until you've used up all the batter. Now it's time for the fun part, topping. Drizzle some honey, sprinkle more oats, or add a dollop of yogurt. The sky's the limit. Who said pancakes can't be healthy? These pancakes are made with whole wheat flour, bananas, and oats, making them a perfect breakfast treat. Mealtime doesn't have to be a battle anymore. With rainbow veggie wraps, cheesy quinoa bites, and banana and oat pancakes, you've got a flavorful arsenal to make nutrition fun. These recipes are not just packed with goodness, but are also sure to tantalize the taste buds of your little ones. So, roll up those sleeves and bring some kitchen magic to the table. Thanks for watching Nutritious and Delicious Creative Recipes for Kids. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more scrumptious recipes and tips. Happy cooking, B.